Everyone thinks Brad Pitt just won the genetic lottery and that's it. But they're dead wrong. There's a hidden attraction code in his face that makes it impossible to look away. A code that's been studied by top-tier scientists for decades. And today, I'm leaking it. I'm breaking down the exact science of his looks, so you can stop being a background character and start looking like the lead. Get ready, because we're moving past luck and moving into execution. Your glow-up starts now. To understand why this guy has dominated Hollywood for 40 years, we gotta talk about scientific averageness. In biology, the most attractive face isn't the most unique one. It's the one that hits the perfect middle ground. Brad's face ratio is exactly 1.35. This is the elite male ratio that signals peak health to the brain. If your face feels off, you're probably just straying from this mark. But you can game the system. By playing with your hair volume or your beard shape, you can visually pull your face closer to that 1.35 sweet spot. Let's move down to the most iconic part of his look, that robust, flared jawline. This isn't just good genes. It's about the masseter muscle. Brad is famous for chewing food in his movies. Let's take a closer look at that because that's a looks-maxing masterclass. Most people today eat soft, processed trash that requires zero effort, leaving their jaw weak and recessed. To fix this, you need resistance. Hard chewing through tougher foods or jaw trainers builds that masculine width. But remember, the jaw only pops if your body fat is low enough to reveal the masterpiece. Now, the soul of the face, the eyes. Brad has what we call hunter eyes. They're almond-shaped, slightly hooded, and sit deep, giving him that dominant look. Most guys walk around with prey eyes, round and surprised, looking like a victim. This usually comes from poor posture and staring down at your phone all day. Fix your posture and use ice rolling to kill the puffiness. Sharpen your gaze and watch how people start respecting you more. And don't forget the skin. Brad's skin is always healthy and glowing because he actually takes care of it. If you aren't using a cleanser and sunscreen daily, you're throwing your potential in the trash. But here's the thing. Having the elite code is only half the battle. Brad's bone structure is a masterpiece, but keeping it sharp as you age takes real discipline. If you want to know how to freeze time and protect your glow-up for the next 30 years, you gotta look at the man who turned aging into a choice, Cristiano Ronaldo. I've already broken down his anti-aging routine and the exact habits he uses to stay at his peak while others fade away. The blueprint for your face is here, but the fuel for your longevity is in that video. Click here to watch the Ronaldo guide and complete your transformation. Don't just look like an elite, live like one. I'll see you over there.